friends, come along. Let's sing and play. We'll learn about letter F in a fun new way. F is for frog. He hops all day. Ribbit, ribbit, jump, hooray! F is for fish, swimming fast. Swish, 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 they zoom right past. F is for fox, with a fluffy tail, running through the forest trail. F is for flower, bright and sweet, smelling so lovely in the heat. F is for fire truck, loud and strong. Nina, Nina, all day long. F is for friends, we laugh and cheer. Learning with friends is so much dear. Thanks for watching. We had fun. Learning F for everyone. Like and subscribe. Don't be late. More fun letters will be great.